Hi guys, welcome you back to the HBNet agency YouTube channel, and today is the second day of the week, and today let's think something different. Since I am telling to think something different, that means I have to visit to one of the favorite website, that is Apple's website. So I'll go there and I'll see their official site. Here in the banner they have shown to watch a film. So let's watch it. I'll just play the video. You can see the Apple is presenting one relay. Okay, in this relay they are showing no athletes are different. Literally everybody is capable of competing with each and everybody. They are also promoting their product accordingly. And at the end it will show each and every human beings are equal and literally they can finish in the same end. As you can see, as the video is progressing, you can see all the people are actually finishing in the same end. So that's a beautiful story where Apple is depicting. No friends, I am not promoting Apple product, but I am a fan of it. Okay, and Apple also doesn't provide any affiliation. Okay, so let's also go to some other famous website and see how they are promoting their brand. So I'll go to the Nike footwear company and let's just do it. Here you will see that how they are promoting their visual storytelling. Okay, so in the every website banner you can see such a beautiful story they're depicting, so that you can understand how it is important for a brand. So these are not only the big companies who are promoting their brand. There are a lot of companies who are actually promoting their brand. Okay, my dear friends, and it is going for a past a long period of time. So you can see how the brands are playing with the emotions and they are promoting their products also. Now let's go to YouTube and I'll show you another example. So let's search one of the most famous campaign which used to work like many years back and still also working, and in the market you will easily find it. Yes, so let's do it and we'll see. Like this campaign, it was like 7 years back and they really promoted this like every online is equal. So I'll just turn on off the music and I'll just keep the audio and let's see. Here also you will see how they are telling that each and every woman are equal and they will literally promote their product. So every brand promotes their product in the form of visual storytelling, which is very important. Either they are putting in their website or in their social media or they are showing in their YouTube. So friends, don't you think that for brand building we also need something like visual storytelling, because this has been in practice for a long time. So let's see. For brand building, people actually tells that you have to select your brand logo, brand color and many things. But actually friends, you need to experiment with a lot more things than that. So let's see some color palette and I'll tell from where you will get some color palette ideas also. So let's go to Pinterest and I'll show you that from where you will get the color palette ideas of the Pinterest. So friends, from here you can see you literally get the ideas of more than 900 plus color palettes. Okay, since you already have a brand and you can type according to that. If you have a mind therapy brand or a like mind happiness brand, like you are a psychologist, then we can put like mind happiness. color palette. So let's see. So you can see a lot of ideas they will show. You can select any of the ideas which you like. Okay, you can see very much large number of color palette here, and you can see many things. So in this way also you can make your social media. You can get a lot of idea from here. Okay, you can literally see how they are beautifully decorating their pages, and also you can get the ideas of your own website and how to put everything in your social medias. Like you can see how they are putting there in the Instagram puzzle, and also you can see like how to beautifully you can do the decoration of your social medias and also everything. You can also see how you can design your own website from this color palette ideas. There are lots and lots of ideas. You can click on see more and you can see a lot will come. Okay, so this is like wow, I feel whenever I come I get a lot of ideas from here also. Okay, so friends, after selecting your ideas or the color which is related to your brand, you are ready to build your own colors, and you are ready to build your own website, and you are ready to build your own social media and decorate it accordingly to attract the clients, so that people also get a trust and also they can identify your brand within that color or within that design. So let's see from where we can do it. Okay, my dear friends. Now friends, for the purpose of showing you where we can create our own brand story, I have came to Canva. So from here I'll show how you can select and create your own brand story. So let's see. There are a lot of free designs which are already available in Canva, and you can select any one of this. Okay, my dear friends. So let's see what I'm going to put. And many templates are available. So in that case, since I told you about a mind happiness and a psychologist, so I'll like to select like this one, and I'll click on apply on all 4 pages. Okay, so you can see everything is editable here. Okay, so just click on the thing, have a look at the video. I'll just mute it and I'll just close it. Here I will take like, I'll just like always be happy or something. I'll write like this. Now if you want to change the video, I'll change it and I'll show it. I'll just delete the video, and in that case I'll go to elements and I'll put like nature. Just go to nature and you will find a lot of free videos which are available here. Just take it, and I like to select a beautiful nature picture or a video, and I'll just put it as a background video. Okay, let's see how it is playing. You can mute the music, and also you can change the music. So in that case I'll also show you how you can change the music. If you have already a brand music which you have built or any music in your mind, you can put it accordingly. So let's go, and this is the music track. We can see, we can just click on these 3 dots and I'll just delete the track. Okay, now what I can do, I'll go to the upload section and I'll just go to audio. Here we will put the sound and we'll just drag this, and I'll put this audio. Okay, so I think this is much better. What do you think, my dear friends? I think it's looking much more energetic than the other things, right? So in this way you can do your own things. Also if you want to add more pages, you can add that also. In that case you can go to again to elements, and in that case you have to select one more video which is an natural video, or if you want, like you can type a girl in the nature walk. That also you can do. and just click on the videos, see all, and you can select this, and you can put a girl picture who is walking and enjoying the nature and set it as a background. Also you can see it like that. So in that way you can set your video. And also if you want to add some code, just go to the text and add the text box and write something more, like happiness is free. So in this way you can download it, and you can just go to file, you can see the download button and just download it. Okay my dear friends, so here you have to change the name, which I have just forgot to change, and I'll change like mind healing video. So if I put this type of videos for my Instagram, I'll definitely get some views. Do you want any proof? So you want to see that how Instagram is booming with this visual storytelling? Okay, yes. So I'll show you the proof now that how Instagram is booming. For that I'll visit to my Instagram. Now friends, for the purpose of showing you, I have came to my Instagram, and this is my Instagram. Let's go. And now recently I'm following these colors, but I have not been posting for a long time, so it's not there many things. But let's go to home. So you can see this visual hustles and how they are promoting only the visual things. So it is written that your grief doesn't get smaller with time. You can eventually learn to grow around it. See the pictures and how they are showing it, and see the number of likes they are getting just by showing a small picture. Okay, now let's scroll down. I'll show you some other examples also if it comes here, and I'll just come down and I'll show, like, see here also you can get the same thing. You don't get results from waiting, you get results from action. So you can see the number of likes. This is a simple thing they are writing, and they are only showing the visual, and see the number of likes they are getting. So that is the thing in brand building also. You have to just focus on the emotion and what people want. And also come down, if you come down you can see a lot more. You can see a sponsored ad of Harvard extension. Here also they are promoting something like visual things only. Okay, in the sponsored ads also you can promote like that. So that's all about the things, and I have shown you how to do like that. If you want to know more details about visual things, and if you want to know how to select the brand color, how to see the brand emotions and all, and from where you can get more and more color palette ideas, and how you can build a beautiful website within the color palette and you are selecting, I'll help you, and in fact my agency will help you out. So that's all for today my dear friends. I'll bring some new topics in the coming days. You can also put your comment in the comment box where you can recommend us to bring the new topics which will encourage us more and more. Till then, stay tuned to our YouTube channel, and this is Nijum signing off for today. Thank you, bye, and have a wonderful day ahead.